To change the background color of a page on Weebly, start by opening a web browser and navigating to Weebly.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Then enter your email and password to access your account overview. From there, you'll see various options, including website, items, orders, and settings. Look for the Added Site option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can see your website's homepage, as well as settings and options to add sections. To access color options, click on Site Design at the top. Then select Colors from the available choices, which also include headlines, logos, fonts, and buttons. In the Colors section, you can choose a different main color, which will be used as the background color for your website. You can browse through the available colors or enter a custom color. Alternatively, you can also edit the colors through the page settings. Once you've made your changes, you can preview the new background color and make any necessary adjustments.